Namasté, Wolfpack. Happy Thursday. How is everyone today? Good, I hope. Shall we start by breathing together? As always, eyes open or closed. Here we go. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And out. Breathing in. And out. You can open your eyes if they were closed. Let's do some warming up, shall we? What's first? Squeezing and lifting. Here we go. Breathing in, squeezing. Breathing out. And here we go. 2 more like that. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in and take a couple of circles one way, maybe 3, and breathe out. Take some circles the other way. Breathe in and nod your head up and down. Breathe out and nod your head from side to side. Let's take our hands up behind our heads. Breathe in and lift your heart to the ceiling. Draw your elbows back, arch your back. Breathe out, draw your tummy in. Drop your chin to your chest. Round your back. Breathe in to lift. Breathe out to round. One more. Breathe in. Lift, lift, lift. Breathe out and round. Coming back up, side bends. Breathe in. Breathe out, right elbow comes up. Breathe in, come all the way up. Breathe out to the other side. Breathe in, coming up. Breathing out. One more, breathe in. And breathe out. Breathing in to come back up. Release your hands, bring them in front in prayer. Breathe in. Breathe out and turn to your left just a little bit. Breathe in and lift up through your spine. Breathe out and turn your head over your shoulder. Breathe in to come back to center. Other side. Breathe in here. Breathe out, a little twist. Breathe in, lift up. Breathe out, twisting your head behind you. Breathe in to come back to center. Release your hands and start wobbling your legs. Wibble wobble. Bang, bang, bang. Let's bring the hands in. Side drums. Shin drums. Feet drums. Coming back up. Maybe a bit of Tarzan. If you guys know Tarzan. And freeze. Okay. Relax your hands down. Breath work today is breath or breath, your choice, or any kind of sound. And you can either bring your hands one on your heart, one on the other, one on the top, or you could maybe take a mudra, or you can do the hands up and down. It's up to you. So when you're ready, choose your position. Big breath in. Here we go. That was a long one. Breathe in. Breathe in. Let's do one more. Take a normal breath in. And a normal breath out. And close your eyes or look down. Our little meditation today is called Clouds. Try to sit nice and still and imagine you're lying in a soft cloud. You're very high up in the sky, but you feel completely safe and really supported by these cotton wool clouds. The fluffy clouds feel so soft against your skin. It feels as if your whole body is turning into a cloud. Gently move your arms and legs and feel how soft and delicate they are. You feel so safe as you nestle into the softness of the clouds. As you lie there, feel your body becoming light. Your arms become light. Your stomach and chest become light. Your legs become light. And your head becomes light. It is almost as if your body has turned into a soft cloud. As you lie there, you start to drift through the sky. Your whole body feels completely relaxed and soft. Your arms are relaxed. Your legs are relaxed. Your head is relaxed. And your mind feels very soft and gentle. All worrying and upsetting thoughts are just drifting away and leaving you with a peaceful mind. Maybe inside your own head you can say to yourself, I am calm. I am calm. I am calm. Take a few more moments to enjoy your soft cloud, to enjoy drifting through the sky. And then take a big breath in. And a big breath out as you wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes. And slowly open your eyes. How was that? Quite nice? Remember, all of these meditations we do, if you really like one and it works for you, hold on to it and use it at times when you're feeling a bit worried or fed up or you can't sleep. It's a really good one when you can't sleep. So yesterday we had sunshine in our song. Today we've got the rain, but it's a happy song. It's called Singin in the Rain. It's from the film of the same name. And I think the film was from about the 1950s. It's a really good film. And the person singing the song is called Gene Kelly, who was, I think, considered to be the best dancer of his time. So it's got a wonderful dance routine. It's really happy. He's just fallen in love. And that's why he's singing in the rain. So I hope you enjoy it. And I will see you again tomorrow. Let's bring our hands together in front of our hearts. Take a big breath in. And bow our heads to our own hearts. The light in me sees the light in all of you. Namaste.